Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, I do follow a lot of people on Twitter, and this is a friend of mine, Tech Dev. He posts some really good comments. Okay, not just bullish, bearish. He says what he sees, but looks at Bitcoin on a macro time frame. You know, and in this particular post here, for 3 cycles now, Bitcoin has flipped the 0618, broken the all-time high, dropped and landed near the 1272, bounced to resistance near the 1618, 50% log band intersection, and so far found support near the 1472. I actually targeted 1414, but it's there or thereabouts, isn't it? You know, all with different market caps, micro environments, and supply dynamics. So essentially what we're trying to say, and this is what I've been saying to you for a very long time, Bitcoin is doing exactly what it's done before in previous cycles, where you ran up to the 1618, met resistance, came back to the 1272, held support, had another go at the 1618, broke the high, and then come back to the 1414 right there. And this is exactly what it's doing again. Okay, so, you know, it's not moon boyish. It's not sort of, oh, it's going to 100k or 200k. We're just telling you, we're relaying the messages to you that we see in the charts. And, you know, he's on the same page that I am. So there's no bullshit, there's no hopium, there's no bull market opium or bear market opium. It's technical analysis 101. So while you continue to hold and adhere to structural support, you're good for continuation. It's until you don't and you lose those key levels of support that you're not good for continuation. Now, for me, like, we'll dive into charts right now. For me, I think that Bitcoin is caught between a rock and a hard place. I do think you've entered a level of accumulation here. Okay, Wyckoff accumulation. I won't go too deep into it, but it is mirroring the previous breakdown that we've gone through in the previous videos with you, okay? So if I take a look here on the daily time frame, you know, we've got this broadening channel. We came up, met the resistance, and then we rolled. So I do anticipate that this is a key level of resistance that Bitcoin is trying to get to. If we take a look on the 4-hourly time frame, you know, like I said to you, at the minute, Bitcoin's come up. It's retracing to a normal level of support for the continuation of the trend. If we take a look at the daily, you can see that you've got your closes outside now of this level of resistance. So you're now in a technical target to retrace to where you formed the broadening wedge, okay, which is this jagged line here, around about $50,652. I do expect that that could be a fantastic little area to open a little short up, okay? If you fail to get through it and you start closing below that level of resistance just there, I would anticipate that you're going to come down, just like you did here, look, where you formed this broadening wedge. And like I said to you, all these points were beautifully traded, came up, break this resistance, and said at that point, when you're breaking resistance, come back up to retrace to this high, close above, fantastic, close below, you're going to come back down and retrace and come deeper. And I do anticipate that Bitcoin could potentially just be mirroring the exactly same scenario again, okay? We're caught between a rock and a hard place. So right now, Bitcoin is retracing. You ran into a key level of resistance just there, and you are retracing. You are actually in a technical target of this WW bottom pattern, reversal pattern basically, to this $50,034. And you can see that you've just ran shy of it, a little bit shy. Let's take a look at that. It's around about 0.62%. So at the minute, you ran into a bit of a brick wall and you're retracing to a nominal level of support. Just there, you've got a 4-hour buy and go to the beach. Okay, from CoinsKid, look at that. You've come up into resistance. You fell back to support. You're holding the 55 at the moment. You've got a little wick down there, which was shy, just shy of this neckline. So I would anticipate that this still offers a fantastic area to put some cheeky bids in, because what you're doing right now, you're retracing for the continuation of the trend, coming back up to this level of resistance here. Close above. Fantastic, looking at upside, you know, and you've broken out this Wyckoff accumulation. You're looking at continuation. Lose it, you're going to come back down, aren't you? You know, and I would expect a, you know, retest of this trend line at some point, because fall back into the trend line like this, and it could offer an amazing short opportunity, to be honest with you, because if you did do something like that, you know, that's a 10% short opportunity on Bitcoin. Amazing. And this is what we do. We trade the ranges. You can do all this on Bybit, okay? Always set stop losses. But a lot of the altcoins seem to be, you know, look like they're breaking out and looking for continuation to the upside. But with, you know, with impulsive waves, there are retracements, okay? So let's take a look at this impulsive break right now for Bitcoin and where you're retracing to at the moment. So at the moment, you're retracing off this low, okay, because you've come down, you put the low, and right now you broke this high, push for an impulsive wave target to the 1618, and you can see that you're retracing at the moment. So you've wicked off the 382. So I would, you know, if it does get quite nasty and you put in a deeper retracement, you know, the 050 is a nominal retracement level just there, and you can see it's just below the wick low of this neckline. So you might get some cheeky bids in there at 47517. Again, nothing I say is financial advice, because at that point, get a nice little long to come back up and retest this level of resistance just there. So I'm looking at trade the ranges. Do it on Bybit. The link is in each and every single video description that I upload, okay? Don't over leverage and don't, you know, Be an idiot. Always set stop losses and take profit at the resistance and take profit points that I give you. So that's a good area to put some cheeky bids in. 47517, and you can see, boom, get a nice little wick off it, which is just below this neckline just there. You are currently holding a 55, which is really strong, really strong. Okay, so good luck, everybody. I wish you luck. I'll give you another update tomorrow on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.